Hello, my name is Eric White, and today we're going to talk about how to make business cards on a PC. What you want to do first is open up Microsoft Word. This one is 2007. Click on the Office button and click on New. We're going to search for business cards in our templates. Microsoft Office is connecting to the Office website and looking up business card templates. So here we have all manner of business cards. So we're just going to go ahead and pick one. If you look, as you click on them, they give you a preview on the right. Now let's see. I'm going to pick this one because it lists the Avery business card stock numbers. It's much easier to buy business card stock and print directly to the stock than it is to try and cut regular paper. So I'm going to pick the Avery 5371 contractor or handyman business cards. Go ahead and double click that. It's going to load it automatically. And here are the business cards. Now, here they don't look so much like business cards, but don't worry about that. You can replace this graphic. Everything that you see here, you can edit to be exactly what you want for your business card. Once you've got it set how you want it, put the stock in your printer, print it out.